We are going to draw the auxiliary view here. You have the auxiliary view. You projected this over. From here to here is your 0.88 radius. You can see it here, 0.88. From this distance to this distance is your 0.75. So you have your auxiliary view drawn in. We're going to do projections, projection lines. Bring that over to your inclined surface. Bring it across. We're going to go ahead and draw this shape on this side. What you need to do is divide this circle, the top areas, into 30 degrees. So you use your 30-degree triangle. The next one, you bring your bar up. Then you have that. That line gives you the other 30-degree line. Once you have those, you project them over to your inclined surface. So you bring that line over. You bring that one over across. And then you drop them this way. You should have your center line over here so we know what's going on with where we're going to go. So the first length that we're going to use is we need to find the width of this shape. So we get our 0.88, follow that line, bring it across, and that's going to tell us where we are with the width right here. Okay, now from here is going to start getting curved, so we're going to get the length on this other line on your 30-degree. We're going to go from here to the center. You can draw a line on there to see it. And then I'm going to get that length. I'm going to follow that line, bring it across, and on this one, my projection line, I see where that lands. And then the last one is going to be this top one here. I would actually draw a line. These lines need to be in. That's the length for the top one. That length, you're going to hit the inclined surface, bring it across, go to your center line, and there you have all the points for your ellipse. We are going to use a French curve to do this one, and then we are going to connect all the points. So with your French curve, you would connect from here to here, coming down up to here. So your ellipse would connect on all those points. I'm freehanding just for the demonstration, but that's how you generate all those points here. And that's what your ellipse is going to go by. The center for your smaller ellipse is going to be right here. Same principle. Same principle. You're going to have your lines here, 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 and then I brought it over to the other side because it's a full circle. So you're going to have all those points for this smaller ellipse. Let's go ahead and take a look at the top of this ellipse, how it would work. So if I want to go and bring this small ellipse across, I bring this line here, then bring it across. That would be the top, which it happens to be at the same point here. So that's the top of the smaller ellipse. If I go from this point, my 30-degree, and bring it across to this line here, I have my first width. Again, we need to bring these lines over so we know where we are working. So this 30-degree line goes up to here. I bring it over. The next one, it's here, from here to here, up to this point. We bring that across. And then your center line. So that's going to be pretty much the same on both sides. So again, I get my length, which is this length right here. Bring it across over to here. That's a top line. And then the next length is going to be from here over to that line, that center line. I'm going to go over here, here, and here. And then the main circle. That's the entire width. And I forgot Got to get this one on the other side. So again, with your French curve, you're going to draw this in. I'm just going to freehand it too for the purpose of demonstration. So every point you connect it, and there's your ellipse here. You would just continue projecting those lines on the other side and drawing the other part on down here. So you would use the same method here as you did down here.